Something that I love to add in my water in the morning to really purify it and give it its trace minerals is this Quinton Hypertonic Ampule in this swirling carafe. This is all by Water Wellness. It's really amazing because already in this 10 milliliter ampule, it already holds 78 trace elements and minerals, and it's super great for maintaining your health. So what I do every morning to add the life back into my water is I break open, seal on both sides, and school is not going to do anything until you break the other side. I'm just going to pour that in, and then I'm going to go ahead and give it a good swirl. So once water has been previously purified through reverse osmosis, it's extremely important that we add back in the trace elements and minerals, and you can do that with the Quinton Hypertonic Ampule. The spiral that's created in this graph is a pattern inherent throughout nature, so rivers, streams, also in the human body, in our circulatory system, and our DNA. I really love to drink this water